that explodes with noise.
Good evening and welcome to Old Trafford ahead of the Manchester United Player of the Year Awards 2015. Now I'm here on the red carpet where guests are starting to arrive to catch a glimpse of their heroes. Now tonight is all about celebrating the success on and off the pitch. Now when I say we've got every angle covered, that is exactly what I mean. So all you need to do is just sit back, relax and enjoy the evening. Now I think I was probably a little bit ambitious not to be wearing my jacket a bit early. It's quite windy, but nevertheless I'm joined by the legend that is Dion Dublin. Dion, some of the players are starting to arrive already.
Yeah,
it's getting exciting.
Some of the younger troops are on the way, looking very smart, all in the same blazers, but it's getting busy now. I feel sorry for the ladies though. Feel sorry for the ladies. Got some lovely dresses on. The wind's so strong.
You're supposed to be looking out for the players.
Oh, sorry, players.
Not for the ladies, dear me. But we know that some of the first team are actually waiting in their cars. Robin van Persie and his wife are waiting just to come in. It's been an exciting 10 months, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. You know, we just want to improve that come next season. The players will be looking forward to tonight. Who's got what goals? Young player. But as the academy kids went in, you can see they're all excited. Yeah. They like being at these events, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be another good one tonight.
Yeah, I mean, how inspiring must that be for those guys to be in here with the first team, watching them get awards, thinking one day that could be me?
Yeah, exactly. They see them at the training ground all the time. Yeah. So for them to be here, watching the first team, how they do it, they're learning as well. Not learning on the pitch, just on the pitch. It's how they the conduct off the pitch as well.
Mm-hmm. Well, we've got some great awards that are going to be presented this evening. Give me a bit of a rundown on those, Dion.
Well, there'll be young player.
Just so you know, Louis van Gaal just pulled up. Yeah, okay.
If we stand to attention, we'll be okay, I think, as the boss goes by. Yeah, we'll have young player, we'll have a players player, we'll have a fans player as well, and I'm sure there's going to be goal as well. So there's so many awards up for grabs. I'm pretty sure that some of the players will be disappointed when they don't win goal of the season. But you know, it's all about the players choosing for the players.
Mm-hmm. Well, it is nice that we've got quite a few in the mix to choose from. Have you voted?
I have voted. I'm not telling you though. Not telling you.
Oh, it's a secret. I'm not telling you who I voted for either. Now, speaking of the last 10 months and moving forward for next season, it's an exciting time here for Manchester United fans and for the players.
It is, yeah, because you know, Man United have been quiet for a little while now, but that's the bad thing for teams like Chelsea and Arsenal, because Man United are on the way. You know, they'll be looking over their shoulder now. It's not been a great season. Man United standards are incredibly high. They will get back to the top. Watch out next season, because we're coming for you. We're gunning for you.
They will indeed. Well, we can see Luke Shaw and Paddy McNair arriving there. This is getting very exciting. But I'm going to throw you now to Mark Sullivan, who's inside as he's setting up all the tables. Take a look.